panoorin natin 'to, iparas kay paras. Tito Soto, sunod-sunuran sa utos ni Tambaluslos. Martin Romualdez, panoorin natin 'to,
Isang video, ipakita natin na si Soto daw, sabi ni Eli, sa kanyang sinabi, independent, cooperative,
Transparent.
and transparent. O, tingnan natin. O, ito, sinabi niya.
My capacity to ensure that this Senate will remain cooperative but independent, balanced, transparent, and sincere. Thus, I am guided by Proverbs 3. In everything you do, put God first, and He will direct you and crown your efforts with success.
Ginamit pa niya ang Diyos. Sana tamaan ka ng kidlat galing sa Diyos, Soto.
Tito Soto, tamaan ka sana ng kidlat, ginagamit mo pa raw yung Diyos, Sabi ni Paras, ikaw talaga, huwag mo gamitin yung Diyos, trabaho ang kailangan namin, Hindi yung tuta ni Tambaluslos, kaya pala tahimik, Ito, panoorin pa natin itong isa, I-forward natin,
Ibalik natin doon sa discussion ni Marcoleta at ni Soto.
Yesterday, after the hearing, during the hearings that they were conducting in the House, Speaker Martin Romualdez called me and said that their committee was allowing Mr. Hernandez to remain in the House and in the House of Representatives, and that
Tito Soto, ikaw talaga, Bakit tumawag si Tambaluslos? May something talagang itong dalawa nito, sa kasal ni Mendoza at saka sa Aljon at Taide, mga ninong to kaya pala merong kaya pala pinapatahimik niyo yung si Tambaluslos kasama na si Saldico. Tito Soto, bakit tumawag sa'yo? Pareglo? Patahimikin yung Ikaw talaga ilang araw ko pa lang dyan My God, talaga. Tigas talaga ng mukha mo.
he was requesting that he not be returned back to the Senate because of some fear for his life. That is according to him. So what I did was I asked the speaker what he plans, because we cannot allow that. I said he is under our custody. Majority Leader, Senator Bato de la Rosa is sitting the floor. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. The last time I know that Bryce Hernandez was cited in contempt and was issued a commitment order to the USA detention room. May I know the whereabouts of that Bryce Hernandez right now, Mr. President?
Well, according to the newspaper accounts that I've read, I think they had the President and the Speaker of the had an agreement to commit Bryce Hernandez at the PNP Custodial Center at Camp Crame.
May I clarify that quite accurate answer by Senator Estrada for the information of Senator De La Rosa and the public. Yesterday, after the hearing, during the hearings that they were conducting in the House, Speaker Martin Romualdez called me and said that their committee was allowing Mr. Hernandez to remain in the House and in the House of Representatives, and that he was requesting that he not be returned back to the Senate because of some fear for his life. That is according to him. So what I did was I asked the speaker what he plans, because we cannot allow that. I said he is under our custody and therefore he is in contempt in the Senate. Pag iniwan namin sa inyo, sabi ko, yan para namin pinawalan.
Correct,
Kaya
Mr.
hindi ako
President.
pumayag. Correct. So
Correct.
what I did was I asked the Sergeant at Arms to bring Mr. Hernandez to the PNP Custodial Center, and that is where he is now.
Anong influence and power ni Romualdez over you? Alam mo, for the public, no? Ilatag po natin. Unang-una, yung contempt against declaration of contempt against Bryce Hernandez, binutuhan yon ng committee. Then the committee was upheld by the plenary through the imprimatur.
O, dito naman tayo sa sa ayan, no? Ito, si Tambaloslos, Tambaloslos, ito, si Romualdez, sa kasal ni Mendoza. Ayan, no? Si Aljo, yung congressman na sa flood control daw, may something. Ayan, si Tito Soto, kaya pala tinawag May inaareglo na huwag nang ikulong sa Senado sa Senado. Dito kasal kayo, ninong ninong kayo sa kasal ni Mendoza. Ikaw talaga kaya pala tinawagan ka grabe ka, tinawagan ka. Ito pang isa. Panoorin natin itong isa. Ayan, papit, Papit, naging aso pa siya, Ni, Tambaloslos. Papit na naman, Mahiya ka naman, Dito Soto, mahiya ka. Kailangan makatao ka, bayan. Hindi yung tuta ka ng mga tambaluslos. Ayan, Papit na papit ka, Pinagtatawanan ka pa ni tambaluslos. Aso. Anong klaseng aso to? Asong kanal. Bagay na bagay silang dalawa, Amo at yung aso. Wow, bagay na bagay. Tinatawanan, Ginagago ka ni Tambaloslos. Ayan pa, wow. Yari ka kay Tambaloslos, Tapo.